Welcome to SakshiEducation.com. Today we are going to prepare the current affairs from March 11 to 20. Here we are going to discuss about the persons in news, national affairs, international affairs, awards and honors, books and authors, important days, and the news related to science and technology, etc. So these will be helpful for various examinations where the people or the aspirants preparing for bank, SSC, railways, TSPSC and APPSC exams. So coming to the persons in news, the very first person in news is Vladimir Putin. So Vladimir Putin is re-elected president of Russia and it is his fourth term. So he was elected on 18th March 2018. Russian President Mr. Vladimir Putin will serve in his tenure up to 2024. Next, Xi Jinping. Xi Jinping is re-elected President of China from National People's Congress Party of China. It is his second term as the President of China. And Wang Qishan is also re-elected as Vice President of China by National People's Congress Party of China. And remember, recently Chinese Parliament has amended that the President of China has or can serve for indefinite tenure. So there is no definite tenure for the President of China from 2018 onwards. That is, in India normally the president tenure is 5 years and the parliament tenure is also for the 5 years, that is for Lok Sabha, and for the Rajya Sabha it is 6 years. For the president of USA it is 4 years and for the president of Russia it is 6 years. Coming to China, there is no definite tenure, so he can serve until the pleasure of National People of Congress Party of China or else until he die. So this is what the very important news of China. And also Li Qiang is also re-elected the Prime Minister of China. So recently very important persons of Chinese has been re-elected, the President, Vice President and Prime Minister. So these may be asked in the exam. So 2018 has witnessed the elections for Russia as well as for China also. So in China there is no direct elections. These people, the President and Vice President and Prime Minister, will be elected by voice of vote by the NPC, National People's Congress. Next, Wei Gang was named as new governor of People's Bank of China. So it is a central bank of China. So as it is Reserve Bank of India for India, the apex bank, okay, it is People's Bank for China, and Wei Gang was appointed as new governor of this central bank of China. Next, Bidya Devi Bhandari. She is the first woman president of Nepal and also re-elected as the President of Nepal for the second consecutive term. So Nepal also witnessed the elections here and she defeated Kumari Lakshmi Rai of Nepali Congress. So therefore in the examination point of view, not only regarding the Bidya Devi Bhandari, so the question may be from Bidya Devi Bhandari, the President of Nepal, has defeated dash person of Nepali Congress leader. So it is Kumari Lakshmi Rai. Next, Aamir Khan. So Bollywood star Aamir Khan was made as brand ambassador of Vivo mobile phones in place of Ranveer Singh. So sometimes in the national level examinations, these kind of brand ambassador questions for advertisements will also be asked. So therefore you need to be alert about this. So Aamir Khan was made as brand ambassador for Vivo mobile phones in place of Ranveer Singh. And also Katrina Kaif, so Bollywood star again. So, here Bollywood star Katrina Kaif was made as brand ambassador for Educate Girls. So, Educate Girls Campaign is a non-profit organization for girl child education as well as for gender equality. So, this is working as an NGO in the United Nations. So, Katrina Kaif was made as the brand ambassador to promote about the girl child education. So, Educate Girls is an non-profit organization. Next, Satyapal Malik. So, the governor of Bihar, Satyapal Malik, was appointed as the new in charge governor for Odisha following the resignation of Odisha governor S.C. Jamir. So, after the end of 5-year term of S.C. Jamir, the governor of Odisha, it was being appointed by Bihar governor Satyapal Malik. So, coming to the awards and honors, UK Golden Flame Award 2018. So, Simi Garwell at UK Asian Film Festival on 15th March was held in London. So, this UK Golden Flame Award 2018 was won by Simi Garwal. Next, Bhavane Kant. So, Bhavane Kant, Miss Bhavane Kant was honored as second woman pilot to fly solo fighter jet MiG-21 at Bison aircraft. So, remember the first woman pilot to solo jet MiG-21 is Avani Chaturvedi, and the second woman here is Bhavane Kant, Miss Bhavani Kant. Next, during this March 2nd week, President Ramnath Kovind has presented Padma Awards to the awardees. So, the Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri awards were being presented at Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. So, in this Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Ilayaraja, so are the most important persons who are honored on this occasion. So, remember Padma Awards will be announced on 25th January every year, a day before Republic Day. After announcement, it will be presented during the month of March or April. So, whenever the President of India finds the time for the presentation of Padma Awards in India. Next, Best Exhibitor Award 2018 was grabbed by India. This Best Exhibitor Award 2018 was given by International Tourism at Börse Berlin and in Germany, and it is the largest tourism trade fair in the world, which is held in Berlin of Germany. On behalf of India, the Ministry of State for Tourism, K.J. Alphonse, has represented, and a short movie was also being played in this tourism summit, that is Yogi of the Racetrack. Next, International Koncham Prize. So, International Koncham Prize is given for medicine here. So, for the category of 2018, the Koncham Prize, International Koncham Prize was given to Indian Council of Medical Research, so ICMR. So, for promoting of TB treatment in India, so tuberculosis treatment in India. So, Koncham Prize was given to India, ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. The last award winner here is 2000 Abel Prize. So, here Abel Prize is given for mathematics by Norwegian Academy of Norway country. So, 2018 category was won by Canadian mathematician Robert Langlands for his contribution to development of mathematics, okay, in revolutionary grand unified theory of maths.